friends. Namaste. I am Nitin from Mysuru. Today I am going to talk about Chikkadevamma Betta, another hidden gem. And I request you to please do like my videos, share them with your friends, let them know about the hidden gems. And please do subscribe to my channel. Ask your friends to also join. This temple, Chikkadevamma Betta, I'll tell you my experience. Our neighboring auntie once she came to us and she gave prasadam. I just asked her of which temple it is, and she told that this is of Chikkadevamma Betta. And when I just got the details about this temple, it was really I was eager to go to the temple. And the very next day we planned to go to this temple, and it was in the month of Ashada Masa. That is approximately August month, and this temple is dedicated to goddess Durga, one of her forms, and it is taken care by government of Karnataka Muzrai department. So the very next day we started, and please note this temple is located in Sarguru Hobli of HD Kote Taluk, Mysore district, Karnataka. We started with our family the next day, approximately 9 o'clock after our breakfast, and we took the Mysore Manantwadi road, which is also called as HD Kote road. On the eve of Ashada Masa, going to Chikkadevamma Betta, which has around 16 hairpin bends, and from there, after approximately around 35 kilometers, we get the Hampapura village, where we have to take a left. From there, the scenic views start. The agricultural fields are so beautiful. You have to take a pause and take photos there, and you will get a beautiful bridge on Kabini River. That is also really so good. And the bridge height is so low, and when sometimes the bridge the water overflows. So then we reach the temple. All along the temple, when you are near to the temple, there are a lot of people from the Kuruba and Gowda community. They will be doing festivals there. They will invite the people, and they will serve non-veg food. That food you need to have. It will be very tastiest food. And there are 16 hairpin bends on this hill that you will enjoy. And when you reach the top, when you reach here on Fridays of Ashada Masa, it will be heavily crowded. So probably sometimes you have to park your car down the hill, but there are steps for the hill, and you will enjoy it. And when you reach the top, the view will just attract you. There are a lot of forest around, thick forest, Nagarahole forest, and there are reservoirs, Kabini Reservoir, Nugur Reservoir, and the goddess is a form of Durga. And when when you are getting down the hill, then again this reservoirs will be attracting you. So from there, what we did is we went to Nugur Reservoir, a small dam, but it is really very beautiful, and people are around to move around the dam. You need to be careful with the kids when you reach the dam gates. There is a hydroelectric power station as well, and when we went there, it was fully high winds. Hydroelectric power station, and we enjoyed a lot. So from there we came to Sargur village, where we had our lunch. It was around 4 o'clock when we reached Sargur, and after that we came back to Mysore. So this itinerary of ours was probably around 10 to 11 hours, but for a day-long trip it will be really very good. You have to reach the places like Kabini Reservoir and its backwaters, and there is a place called as Koodgi, which the details I have shared in the description. If you reach there, you will see no people around. The Nugu river will flow, where you can play in the water, but the why it is so fascinating about this place is that it is the edge of the forest, and you may witness the wild animals. So this was our story of my experience of Chikadevamma Betta. And if you want to reach this place and with other places around, please do reach me. I'll get you a beautiful itinerary. I have experience traveling across India. I have completed Chardham Yatra, Amarnath Yatra, all the 12 Jyotirlings I have seen. 12 plus 3 the 3 other Jyotirlings, that is Jageshwar of Uttarakhand, the Aunda Nagnath, and Parli Vaijnath, and 50% of the Shakti Peeths also I have seen, and most of the corners of India I have reached. So I love finding the hidden gems, and if I find, I make a itinerary and I go there and see the places. So please do like my videos, and ask your friends to please subscribe to my channel and share this video if you find it informative. Thanks a lot. Namaste.